Hello everybody, welcome to the Kool Zone. So I wanted to do something different here. So I bought some pre-cooked chicken patties. I whipped up my waffle batter and then I just put them on the waffle iron. And let me tell you folks, it was amazing. You have your chicken and waffles, but it's like a chicken stuffed waffles. And let me tell you, they were good. Like I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna name this. I don't know, waffle surprise or something like that. No clue what I'm gonna name it, but let me tell you, it was amazing. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, everybody. I love y'all. Kool Zone out.